Hi friends, welcome to Precious Life. It's the series of Time Matters. Friends, we are really thankful to you for spending your valuable time with us. We are so glad to have you. Okay, let's move on to the topic. There is a time to tear down and a time to build up. Here I would like to talk about priority of time. For clear understanding, let's start with an example. In vineyard, the farmer cuts off every branch that doesn't bear fruit. And also, he prunes repeatedly so that it bears more fruit, even finer and richer. Friends, life is same as wine. There is no use of the things that stops us from having peace and prosperity. Many times we are struck by bad moments or habits that pulls us out of our goals and purpose of life. Life is meant to have peace and prosperity. You can overcome bad only through good. So let's learn how to overcome bad moments and habits to have peace and prosperity in life. Overcoming bad moments. We all have the experience of rejection in some or the other way, right? Rejection in job opportunities, rejection from family or friends, rejection due to caste, status, beauty, talents, and so on. Friends, let me give you a clarity on this matter. You and me are born to love others and to be loved by others, okay? If people reject you, don't get upset, but realize that they are not in need of you. Hey, he who is full loathes honey, but for the hungry, what is bitter tastes sweet. I like this quote in Telugu. It says, కడుపు నిండిన వాడు తేనె పట్టునైనను త్రొక్కివేయును ఆకలిగొనిన వానికి చేదు వస్తువైనను తీయగా నుండును. That's the importance of need. If people reject you even for your good, then know that it's not your problem but it's of their problem. You are made perfect, my dear friends. You are made perfect by the Creator. So come out of your bitterness and be concentrated on your goals and purpose of life. Next, overcoming bad habits. Life is a combination of three things: mind, soul, and flesh. Flesh always seeks for the physical pleasures. Soul always wants for the Creator as it came from the Creator. Mind always tries to learn new things by watching and listening. Mind can switch to any one of this to operate life. It is good to have desires and pleasures, but the drawback of mind switching to flesh is it never allows the soul to take part in life. That leads to unsatisfaction in pleasures and desires, where people get addicted to bad habits which destructs their life in many ways. The destruction of life is due to lack of harmony in mind, soul and flesh. So to have oneness in these three, we must switch our mind to soul, where the soul can enjoy the presence of the Creator and the flesh is guided in good way to have its pleasures at right time. Addictions are the destructives of life, but the Creator is the constructor of life. It's time for a change. To have a peaceful and prosperous life, let's have a change in our thoughts and habits. If you are ready for a change, then the Creator is ready to make you as a new creation again by healing your thoughts and habits. This is what I learned in my life. Hope you all got my point. So, may you have a blessed life. He loves you, my dear friends. Take care. Bye.